This is the Vanstar from Pössl. It may be thought to be a tiny van. I don't really think it is. It's on the Mercedes Vito Tourer Pro. So it's people who are pros at touring, 514 centimeters in length. Let's have a look what it's got inside. Well, that looks like it's got some seats inside which have been put down and you can lie on them. Well, that's not a bad thing. That's a pretty good start. It's got a tent in the roof. It's got over here in this door, sliding door, it's got a camper window. So this you can got a blackout blind. And has it got a mosquito in it? No, it hasn't. Why not? Because you can't open the window. But anyway, at least it's got a blackout blind there. This bit here looks like the Mercedes estate. Okay, we've got this thing here open, and I'm afraid that's it. So in other words, what we've got, this camper van comes with 3 camping facilities. I should really say camping car. It's got a tent in the roof, it's got a blind over here, and you can lay the bed flat. Now, I used to travel all around in my Mercedes 190D, sleeping in it, and I found various positions I could sleep in. It wasn't as good as this because you couldn't get the thing to go flat down. It was at a bit of an angle. I started sleeping in the front bit, because I found that, and putting the chair down as far as it would go, that was the most comfortable for me. Then I got a camper van, and that was the end of that. What was really impressive though, how cheap it was to run the 190D. Really cheap. This thing here is going to cost €71,500. So at that price, it's very, it's really in the realm of proper, maybe not in the realm of motorhome, but it's a good camper van you can get for that price. Now here you've got a camper box, kitchen and sleep, and which you'll get included, and these things here, according to this, will cost around €3,000. So we can go now and have a look at one of these camper boxes, one of which we will find in this Campster vehicle here. It's also on the same base vehicle, and this has, no it doesn't, where's it gone? It's gone somewhere else. Sorry, it's over in this one here. And so this is a completely different vehicle. This is a camping box. This sort of thing is quite clever though, because what you've got here, you've got the mattress at the back, which you can put to make it a bit more comfortable, because where these seatbelt holders are, they do tend to stick in your body. This one here comes with a table. It's the only one I know it does come with a table, so that's quite clever. And at the back we've got these drawers. We've got a 1-burner hob here. We've got this thing here, which I think is a toilet. I've never seen this actually before. Go this demonstrate. I mean, it looks like a toilet. I don't know what it's meant to be, quite honest, but you might think that's not very, it doesn't look very nice having a toilet next to your cooker. Well, yeah, you often have fridges in them. This one here doesn't, but could do. This one does have a sink, so you've got your clean and dirty water there, and they probably supposed to put your fridge in there, and you can run that off the well, there isn't going to be a what do you call it, habitation battery. Is only going to be, probably isn't going to be a habitation battery, but you might want to get an eco flow or something like that, and that'll keep it going. If you have some solar on the roof, you can power it by that, or you can even power it now by the accumulator. The starts with an A. What's the word you power it from? Forgotten the word. You can power it from your engine. Okay, put it that way. And I'll remember the word as soon as I finish. Don't worry, but you can write it down. Just so anyway, good. There you go. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Bye for now.